I'm starting with this wood blank that I picked up at Hobby Lobby in the wood pile section. And I put a coat of White Swan paint on there. So I've also taken some 2x lumber, and it's cut just a little bit bigger than the Frosty Sweet Shop stamp. So it's roughly about 10x4. So now what I want to do is I want to dick patch some paper on here. So I'm just I don't want it to look like it's just stamped over this music paper. So I think I'm going to use this one, the little chunkier guy. So I'm going to just whitewash a section so that he's going to pop off of this image. So I like that, and I'm going to stamp him using black paint with my brayer. So before I do that, I'm going to paint the roof, the chimney, and the sides black. I'm going to put that in place and coat my snowman. Once you get it on there, you don't want to shift. I like to use this felt scraper because when my hands are sticky, it shifts my stamp. So I just want to make sure I get good adhesion. Oh my God, is that precious or what? That is just absolutely incredible. So now that I know where I want my image, I'm going to take my baby wipe and wipe back some of that paint that I put in the background. I'm just going to take some black paint on a brush, just run it a little bit more along the edge. So while I'm letting that dry, I've decided to paint this basin black. And so we're going to do that real quickly. So I want to stamp this in white. That looks so good. So now we're going to dry that. And just like I did with the snowman, I'm going to spray seal this. So here's what we have so far. We have Frosty's Sweet Shop. And then we have that that's going to go right there, dry. I'm going to add snow to Santa's house. And to do that, I'm going to use PENTART snow paste. And And we're going to let that dry. So to add some sparkle, I'm going to use PENTART Ice Effect Paste. I already have the snow on here, so it will add some glistening and glitter. I'm just going to go right over where I have the snow. While that's still wet, I'm going to add some sheer frost German glass glitter. That's just going to give another layer of depth. And I'm going to let that dry. I take a baby wipe and wipe around the edge of the sweet treats.